that one. Tries to go for a run. Number 14 collects that one. That's Janidu Wijeratna.
ජීවිතය ගැන ගන්න ඕන හොඳම තීරණයක්.
Swiss Tech Skim Coat finish එකට හොඳම කෙනා. Dialogue Schools Rugby League.
The DS Senanayaka College hosting Sri Sumangala.
That both schools are coming from, but nevertheless, getting back to business, Sri Sumangala College, this is the lineup.
Ratnayaka Vikramasinghe and Bandara are in the front row with Akram and Tilagaratna in the
And as for DS Senanayaka College, rounding out the forwards, Chetana Valigama, Praveen Lakmal, Omika Bogahawatta, Lankesh Vikramasinghe.
referees make their way into the playing enclosure. And of course, it's good to see Charani Lianage getting a continued run in the center. She'll be refereeing the game alongside Jeevaka Fonseca and Tilan Neelaruwan.
And here we go. Aramadil with a kick. Hightails it, collected in the deep, works it immediately. Goes for that big number 5 from DS Senanayaka College. That's the right lock. Timat Bogahawatta works the line immediately, making headway past that halfway mark. Again, scrum half works the line here, going for those big pack players. Number 9 passes it swiftly, and the fly half kicks it. Adil collects that one, tries to go for a run. Number 14 collects that one. That's Janidu Wijeratna, and it's Amana Bank try number 1, unfortunately. And there's 2 more points on the board for DS Senanayaka College.
Now centre Malit takes it up into contact. Numbers on the outside. Here's the fullback Shabir putting on some footwork, and by the looks of it, that's the second Amana Bank try for
Board. And they do.
and he does so. Here goes the DS Senanayaka College forwards, and by the looks of that, that's Bogahawatta. He goes over for the third Amana Bank try.
He's made a brilliant case for himself, and it's 3 out of 3. Number 8 passes it on to scrum half. That's number 15. High steps it. That's Mohammad Sabir. Puts on the starter steppers. A more high gear passage of play. Number 10 takes the penalty. Taps it back. Makes a ton of headway and goes back for a game of attrition there. Again, just inching past that 22.
And by the looks of it, that's the first Amana Bank try for Sri Sumangala, scored by Rajaguru in the number 4 jumper.
It wasn't so much the Senanayaka's complacency, but rather the sheer route. Number 8 breaks off. Number 4, that's the left lock, Lankesh Vikramasinghe. Just inches away from the try line. Forwards together. Number 7 making a run for it. Comes back. And this time he bounces back from his earlier failure. Praveen Lakmal throws it into that rolling maul. Shamit Samarasinghe egging them on. Will the boys get to it? Again, working that line there. That's the fullback, Mohammad Sabir. It's try number 2. Sri Sumangala College been found wanting time and time again.
Coloma Beauty.
Pereira puts a high hanging restart into the 22. Now DS Senanayaka hot on attack. Here goes their big forwards. Just a couple of meters out as the referee's arm comes out for an advantage. DS Senanayaka College, will they manage to barge their way over? By the looks of it, they do so, and
Not done so on 2 occasions. This will be a tight angle for him. But he gets the job done. It's 2 more points and DS Senanayaka.
him down. Samarasinghe now to Bandara. Through the hands they go. Janidu cuts back inside. Gets past the defenders, but he's brought down. DS Senanayaka College still with possession. Here goes the big forwards. Cutting back is Praveen Lakmal. He's just a couple of meters short of the try line. And now a penalty advantage comes. And the referee says that they will go back for the penalty. And here's a try. By the looks of it, it's Omika Bogawat who goes over for the 8th. Well, in fact, it's the 9th Amana Bank try for DS Senanayaka College. The kick strays wide from the left Balasurya, as here goes the big forwards. Lakmal himself collecting and picking and goes. Makes good yardage. Now an advantage comes as the Sri Sumangala player.
But here goes Vijayaratna with the 2 points. That was the big number 5 going for that touchdown. And he does.
Have plenty of numbers, and they opt to go on the blind side. Well, was that the correct call? Only time will tell. Now to the line they go. Here goes Bandara, step in and weaving his way through, and he goes over for yet another Amana Bank try.
It's a long letter right back home for Sri Sumangala College as DS Senanayaka. And it's a successful penalty. And Sri Sumangala.
For DS Senanayaka College, a comprehensive victory for the home team. And now they press their case for second place in this group.
Here are the key stats from the encounter between DS Senanayaka College and Sri Sumangala College. Kandy 12 tries to 1. That is
කොහෙන් හරි කමන්නේ ෆොටෝ එක තිබ්බනම් මට මේ බිත්තියේ කැත වහගන්න තිබ්බා.
චමරි අක්කා.
පිත්තියට ස්විස් ටෙක් ස්කිම් කෝඩ් ගාලා ෆිනිෂ් කළා නම් ඔය ප්‍රශ්න මුකුත් නැහැ.
Swiss Tech Skim Coat. Finish එකට හොඳම කෙනා.